If you'd like to learn about digital and social media marketing, please subscribe to my channel. I hear a lot of people say that Facebook ads won't work for B2B, but I disagree. One of the great things about Facebook ads is the ability to run retargeting ads to website visitors that have taken a particular action, either on your website or interacting with the ads in the past. For example, downloaded a guide or a lead magnet. As long as you have the Facebook conversion pixel installed on your website, then you can serve ads tailored to those people on Facebook. If you're serving ads to people who've downloaded a free guide, you know they're already aware of your brand and likely a potential customer. So you can offer them something that will keep them interested in your brand or product. A case study or a white paper, a webinar or a video training. For anyone that's downloaded one of these items, you know they're likely to become a hot lead or ready to buy your products. So you could serve them subsequent ads, convincing them to buy from you rather than a competitor, perhaps a price comparison, or show the features of your product against your competitors. You could offer them a free trial or even a demo, some kind of incentive to buy now. Retargeting website visits is just one of the ways Facebook ads can work for B2B. Have you tried Facebook ads for your business? Comment below and let me know.